a to the power 6 plus a to the power minus 6 is equal to 47. So a cube plus a to the power minus cube is equal to find out this. First we can write a cube and this is minus a cube, so this is we can write this, and now square of this side, so there is the a cube square and there is the a cube this square and there is the 2a cube 1 by a cube, and there is the a to the power 6 and there is the 1 by the power 6 and this is cut here, so 2, and this value is this is mean the 1 by a to the 6, so there is the 47 plus 2, so there is the 49. So a cube 1 by a cube the square is equal to 49, so a cube plus 1 by a cube is equal to root 49, so root 49 plus minus of 7, so this value is this.